The NinjaTrader Mobile App is a powerful companion to the NinjaTrader desktop and NinjaTrader web trading platforms. Let's take a look at the quote board section of the mobile app. Once logged in, I'm going to go ahead and tap on my simulated live account. At the bottom of the screen, it'll launch the mobile app. The default section is actually the quote board, and the quote board's organized according to asset class. You'll also see that the quote board provides you with not only real-time quotes and point and percent change from the previous session's close, but also if you have an open position, it'll also show you your open position along with your P&L. The asset classes are organized by indices, micros, cryptos, financials, currencies, energies, metals, grains, meats, and softs. Managing your favorites tab is easy. If you want to add or remove something, swipe left to remove. If you want to add it back, I'm going to click on indices. We'll go back to that E-mini Russell. I'm going to swipe left again. I'm going to click on that favorites heart. I'm going to go back to favorites, and there it is on your screen. Finally, you could go ahead and launch a chart and a Superdome directly from your quote board. So as an example, we'll go ahead and launch the E-mini NASDAQ 100. I'm going to tap it with my finger. It'll open up a new section with a chart. I could toggle between Superdome and chart. It's really that easy. I'm going to go ahead and use that upper left arrow here to go back to the quotes section of my app. Hope that helps.